This iMovie is about the Catholic Church's view about women and the opportunities for women. This movie is by Kayla, Brooke, and Molly.
The Catholic belief was that God saw men and women equal, but on earth, women were thought to be weaker and easier to sin. Therefore, women needed the help of a man to avoid sin.
The church tried to protect women, so the minimum age of marriage was 12. The church courts would punish men if they seriously abused their wives, but sometimes women were punished more for the same offense.
Some women were ladies of the manor. They would take care of the house and supervise vassals when the husband was away, and they would also perform any medical tasks. They would also perform farm duties.
They had many jobs in the convent. They had to obey the abbess, which is the head of the convent. Their daily life included worship, work, and study. They also had to look after sick people and set up schools for noble children. They also provided a place to stay for travelers because there were no hotels.
Some noble women would defend their estates if it was attacked. Some women even took into politics.
Daughters of noblewomen were taught to spin and weave by their mom. Some were sent to relatives for training. Some even became supervised servants.
Although women didn't have as many rights as men, they were able to become a nun. The nuns lived in a convent and were educated in Latin and wrote in that language too. In order to obtain an education, you must have some kind of power.
In this iMovie, you learned about the Catholic Church's view about the women and some of the opportunities for women and their roles as noble women and roles as nuns.